you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple weeks since I posted a video. I have been struggling with my editing software and it is so annoying. I want to get a new camera, I want to get a new laptop, I want to get a new editing system, all of that, but all of that is in the works. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys some encouragement real quick. I have been feeling some type of way for the longest. I've been struggling, you know, mental health is real. And I encourage everybody to find somebody that they can talk to, that they can go to about things, that they trust. Everybody needs a support system. And if you need a counselor, find you somebody and talk to somebody, okay? I know in the Black community, a lot of people ain't with that, and it's like, y'all, it's 2020, okay? We can't still be like, nah, fuck that, you know, no counselor, I don't need no counselor, I don't need no therapy, blah, blah, blah. We the main ones that need, okay? Like, come on now, we've been through a lot, especially with everything that's going on, we need it. I found something in Dollar Tree the other day. It was a towel that said, always find joy in the journey. You know, we're on a lot of journeys, and the thing about the journey is that it never ends. So you might as well find joy in it, whether that's a weight loss journey, a financial freedom journey, battling with depression or mental health issues, trying to work on yourself, build up yourself. It's a journey, and it doesn't end. So you can't wait until the end for you to find joy. You have to always find joy during your journey. So I just want to come on here, give that bit of encouragement to everybody. I know a lot is going on, and you know, I'm just me myself. I'm trying to stay positive, and I'm trying to, you know, wake up in the morning. I'm not too glammed up, but I'm trying to at least, you know, feel good about myself. It's a battle, it's a struggle, and you have to just take it one day at a time. So I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are staying safe. You know, wearing masks, washing hands, and, you know, having sanitizer on you and doing all of that. And, you know, one thing I started doing was meditating and writing in a journal daily. I try to do it daily, and reading like daily devotionals and stuff like that. I'm trying to get on a morning routine. Once I get on one, I could probably maybe do a video about what it is. But you know, try writing down your manifestations and your goals, and believing in them, and attracting that positive energy, because that's what we all need right now. We need positivity. We don't have time for that negative. We don't have time for that BS. So yes, so I don't think I'm gonna be uploading on Wednesdays anymore. I think I want a new day, maybe Saturday or Sunday, I don't know, but we'll see. Changes are coming. I'm trying to revamp my channel. I'm not trying to be gone or anything like that. That's why I wanted to come on here and post this video. I'm just having some technical difficulties right now, so y'all bear with me. But I appreciate all the support and everybody that's been watching my videos. If you haven't already, go check out some of those DIYs that I've done, and let me know what you think. And yeah, I love you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.